I've been here for a donkey, how many decades? So I know exactly what the need on the island. Here is one of the main improvements and the development that had happened to the community. And guess what? When everybody comes around in the afternoon last night evening, they saw the lights and all. Here what they said. Oh my gosh, now we can see the city lights on the street around the hospital. The same one in Buka where we normally see in town. We have it on the island now. So everybody was just amazed and happy and so excited to see because it was like the first time for the locals.
Because Carteret Island is an isolated island which is very far from the mainland. We have to travel by boats only, and so far we manage our stay here to take care of our patients. And to the MAF, I really thank you for the job they are doing now. It will really help us and save some of our needs. This is the need that we really need here at the facility. That there was no lighting as well. At first when I came here, there was no lighting. I find it really hard to, when there's mama for delivery, I normally use the torch. So for 2 years, I've been using the torch to use a torch for the mothers when they are in labor and they give birth. So for me, it's something that I really feel embraced, because sometimes when you use only the torch, you can pick a wrong thing at the dark. I'm very happy and I'm very proud because MAF is helping now with this new installation of this solar. So I'll be in the city now. This housing was a bit of hard to me because the side of the communication and the transportation for referring my patients was really hard for me. So I have to struggle to manage to save the lives of these patients in this health center.
Totally, there wasn't any communication at all. We all be connected through that channel of communication. Maybe I think it's a very good idea that we can all set, instead of a HGO or a doctor coming to here, we can just connect to like talking now using that VHF radio.
About 10 years.
10 years, no communication.
No communication.
Wow. So how did you get messages to the main island?
Just from boats traveling Buka, Carteret. We receive information from the boats only. The radio means that I will have communication now, update communication from the DABC government and from who I want to contact at Buka. The light will help a lot by admitting patients and the community traveling at night, and it will help by sisters from doing the work at night, from treating patients. I'm very proud about having lights here at the Carteret Health Center.
What did the sisters use before we have the solar lighting? What did they use for light?
They use only torch. Battery.
Only torch.
Yeah, only torch. Yeah.
So they have to hold torch and help the patient.
And help the patient treat.
So this will be a big change for them.
Change, and I appreciate this very much.